Can you guess where I've been? Hi guys, and welcome back to the My Favorite Memories craft table. And yep, I've been shopping. Ran down to the Dollar Tree, had some ideas stuck in my head, and of course once I got there, I got some more ideas. So let me show you what I got. I got some of this craft foam. This is going to be more of a help item. When you glue things on the outside, you need to let them dry. Well, I tend to either poke them with something or actually poke little things in here, and that way they sit, don't get all over everything. And I thought these would be perfect for the small items. So I grabbed a couple of these. I got a couple of these. I write down everything. I write myself notes and grocery lists, ideas for videos, DIYs, that type of thing. I go through these like crazy. So I did pick up a couple of these. These are more of the useful everyday stuff, so got those. These are the 3 little curly ribbons. You get 3, and I bought this color on purpose. Actually, my hubby helped me pick it out. I bought these, and I don't wear makeup, and especially not false eyelashes, but I bought these. And I bought these. Now, believe it or not, everything here is going to be a DIY tutorial. And I'm not going to tell you what, but I am going to show you in at least sometime probably next week. But everything here is going to end up as one DIY. So I got the little curly ribbons, some flowers, and false eyelashes. I'm going to leave that up to your imagination. Alright, I bought these. These are for another little kid craft idea I came up with. These are just the little plastic straws. And I bought these little cotton balls. And I'm hoping these are going to work. This is a maybe thing. But these and these are going to kind of go together. Okay, well, actually, these tape. It's 2 different colors here. There's some red and some blue with flowers. But these are all going to show up probably in the same tutorial. And like I said, I'm going to leave all that up to your imagination. But I have straws, cotton balls, and tape. And then I bought some of these. I have a tutorial that was missing one piece, and this little group of items was always missing one piece, has been sitting around for like 2 weeks missing one piece. I finally remembered to get that one piece. So this is for another DIY. Oh, and these, the straws, the cotton balls, the tape, and this Spanish moss are probably going to end up in the same tutorial. Yeah, I know, it just keeps getting more and more, and believe it or not, they're all related. So these, and I got, you know me and twine, and baker's twine especially because they have such pretty colors. And I got 3 packages, and each one has 3, and they have 3 different colors. Like this is brown and beige, orange and white, yellow and white, kind of a pinkish white, green and white, and purple and white, and of course the red and white, the light blue and white, and the blue and white. And these are for another tutorial. Everything I buy just about is for a tutorial. Every once in a while I'll pick something out. Like these are not directly for tutorials, but they help. And then of course, as I was cleaning out the bags to lay that out so everybody could see it, this was at the bottom, and this is proof that my hubby went with me. You know, you can't take a kid into a Dollar Tree store without buying them a gift for being so good. So this was at the bottom. I think he forgot about it, but so this is not a tutorial. This is just mom advice. You know, if you be good, you get to pick something. Okay, yeah, that was bad. Anyway, so this is all I got. I tend to try very hard to keep it packed, and I find that giving myself a time limit, like 15 minutes, you got 15 minutes to walk through the store, pick up what you want, and get out. And that way I don't end up with bags and bags and bags. But anyway, that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, and if you do like these, hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment, hit the little like thumb, and please return. Come back, see me again. Find out what all these things have in common, what this is going to end up being, and how long this is going to last after my husband finds it. So, you have a great day. And I really hope to see you soon. Bye-bye now.